They're all difficult games, they're all something on it, but I suppose it's a bit special with them being the best team in the league, really, the position-wise at the moment, and we've been looking forward to it for quite a while, really, the lads, and they just come one after the other now at the moment, don't they?
Thick and fast.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a sellout. Looks like it's going to be a sellout.
I hope so. It's the lads have deserved that, really. We've had some decent crowds, but in the running with only 3 home games left, it's important that we get good crowds there and get that support behind us.
Is this never say die attitude down to you or down to the group?
I think it's just the group that I instill that sort of belief in the group. I think my teams are like that, really. We've got a good group of lads, and I'm looking forward to the last 6 games. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of pressure on all the teams around. We're talking about the top 12, aren't we? Or top 10, is it, for the playoffs?
Yeah.
Everybody's got a chance at the playoffs. So it's I think we need a point to guarantee the playoffs.
Yeah.
And then we can just push on and see what we can do.
Which is amazing, considering where we were as a club when you arrived. The turnaround is nothing short of miraculous, is it?
You've got to be a bit lucky. I've got good staff. Kevin Blackwell and Ronnie Jepson's been fabulous for me. And we've got to, we just had to be more careful in who we bring in, getting value for money, and we don't think we've done a bad job on that. And
the owner has had faith in you, the chairman, everything. There's this togetherness at the club. They all seem to be backing you.
It's important. Vincent, I speak to him before every game and tell him the ins and outs, and he has his opinions as you can do, but it's all about trying to teach him what I'm thinking, or tell him what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking it, really, in that respect. Because where Vincent comes from, it's quite simple, really. If you get more shots and more efforts on goal, you're going to score more goals. But sometimes it's hard to convince somebody that we might have 1 effort on goal and win 1-0.
And would you say it's in our own hands now, the end of the season?
Oh yeah, it's in our own hands. We've got massive games, let's be honest. All the teams below have been saying how difficult games are for us. I just think there'll be difficult games for the teams we're playing against.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. So let's give it a good go. Starting at Wolves, hopefully a sellout. It's a great atmosphere when we get a full house.
Yes, yeah.
And then we go on to Villa on Tuesday. Villa, they're still looking at automatic promotion. So you don't blame them with the squad they've got. They've got so many quality players in the squad. It's difficult not to go against it. And you saw Fulham, they just win every game. Very difficult to see how they're not going to win sort of at least 4 out of the 6 games they've got left, looking on paper. So it's still a tough job for us, but let's go and give it a crack.
Exactly. As long as we keep working hard, no one can.
That's all you can ask as a manager. You look at your team. They don't know any different, Marlo. And if they slip the standards, they know they get a kick up the old backside. So they don't slip the standards very often.
Neil, pob luck, best of luck. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.